Top tips for using Google Photos efficiently. If you want to be able to use Google Photos efficiently, there are several tips that I can offer you. The first tip is being because Google Photos has a limited amount of storage up to 15 gigabytes, which is overall for your whole Google service. And if you don't have Google subscriptions and so on, this could be quite limited. So it is important to make sure that you only back up the important photos and not the not important ones. So if there is any photo that you actually don't need, you can just choose to delete them because they just occupy space for no reason in this case, and you can also clear them from your trash. The second thing is, if you have got loads and loads of photos, you want to create a collection to categorize them easily. So you can go to the collections tab and you can choose to create an album. You can also categorize them according to the people's and pets or documents or screenshots, videos, and so on. If you have got some private photos, you can choose to lock them. If you have got some photos you want to hide, you can choose to archive them and so on. You can also create using Google Photos tools like a collage maybe, or an animation or a cinematic photo, and you can search for custom photos as well in this case. So these are the various ways on how you should be able to basically sync your Google Photos or maybe use Google Photos much more efficiently. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.